quiet, you're a child. I felt, but then as I got older, a ghost in my room. Like, I would be like underneath my covers and peeking out, and it looked like all like real people. And then they would just...
Do you guys like my Christmas pajamas? Good morning. I just made some tea. I just got done meditating. I'm listening to Haley Hoffman Smith's new podcast. I'll link it below. It's really great. It's a beautiful day, so I'm really hoping to get my work done early. I'm going to try to bulk film a bunch of TikToks for the rest of the week and weekend, draft my Instagram reels, and finish my reach out list. So catch you soon. Okay, I forgot to film like most of my day filming my TikToks, but I got pretty much all of my TikToks done that I need to, but I do have some more reach outs to do for the day, but I'm taking a little break. I'm gonna go do some aerial yoga, so let's go.
Birthday on the 10th, so I'm not gonna go. But maybe she will. I know they were talking about making that a regular class. So the best thing, George, is to look on My Body at the schedule, and then you'll see, because if there's ever a change, I mean, I've been teaching here over a year, and I only had to...
Hi, it's already dark. I keep forgetting how dark it gets so early, but whatever. I got back from aerial yoga and I had to go to the grocery store, and I just got new ski boots and I had to get them fitted, and I will be getting those back tomorrow. I cannot wait. I've had the worst boots for my feet for the past 2 seasons. They've actually like gotten really messed up from the boots I've been wearing, so I'm really stoked about that. And now I'm home. I'm gonna make some chili, and I got some cookies, so I'm gonna make some Christmas cookies and probably put on a movie and just relax for the rest of the night. So let's go. Yay! First one. Okay, for dairy-free and gluten-free, the sugar cookies are looking pretty good. I squished that one though. Yum! And I'm just about done and gonna be making those soon. I'm gluten and dairy-free, so a lot of times I like to bake from scratch, but I found this one brand, I think it's called Sweet Loren's, and they just have bomb cookie dough. So I wanted to make Christmas tree cookies with them, and I found this dairy-free frosting. We're gonna see how it tastes in a sec, but it's so cute. Never use artificially dyed things, but I just really wanted to make them festive, so they're so cute. Yep. Super bomb. And maybe by the 25th day, I'll remember to close my videos out. But until then, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can stay updated on the next video that's coming out, which should be tomorrow. Alright friends, until next time.